Am I doing the most with the pink and red combo? It's Valentine's Day today. I'm trying to get into it. So if you think I'm doing the most, maybe lie. Don't be mean. I'm Nemesis. Welcome back to my channel. I went mute for a second. Okay, I'm not forgetting this time. Before we get into the video, let's talk about the song of the motherfucking week. I love music so much. I cannot let this little section of the video die. I can't do it. So the song of the week this week is Igual que un Ángel by Kali Uchis featuring Peso Pluma. But honestly, the entire Orquídeas album by Kali Uchis. I'm really gonna need the general public to stop sleeping on Kali Uchis, period. Especially her music in Spanish. It is top tier shit. She's giving vocals, she's giving pop girly, she's giving you know, like she's just delicious. What a delicious woman. I don't know. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, so for today's video, this is still kind of like in the same route as me catching up with you guys on basically everything that I didn't post on YouTube for the past 10 months. So y'all know that I love putting y'all on to good things, better things, etc, etc. So I wanted to put y'all on to, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 brands that I discovered in 2023 and I just used throughout the whole year, or from the moment that I discovered them, and loved them so much. And I never got the chance to actually show them to you here on YouTube. There's many videos of me on Instagram and TikTok using these brands, but I need to catch y'all up to speed because wow, they're so freaking good. So yeah, let's get motherfucking into it. On to the first brand. Okay, this one I'm just, what is this? Hello. So this first brand, I'm gonna get it out the way because we just talked about them on my previous video, which if you haven't watched, what are you doing? Anyways, it's Bounce Girl. I just talked about them on my previous video and I tried out their defining cream with you guys for the very first time and I loved it. I also tried out their new brush with you guys. Loved. Like this brand already rose into my top 5 brands I've ever used for my wavy hair. The 2 other styling products that I also tried from them are their Light Hold Creme Gel and their hairspray. This hairspray? If you want hold without adding gel or mousse, this girl right here. She also adds quite a bit of texture and even volume if you use it very strategically. Also, Bounce Girl as a whole, it's such a well-rounded brand. Not only do they have their own hair salons across the US, they also offer tools to style your hair. They have the towels, they have the bonnet, they have brushes, they have those little mittens that I use to style my hair in my previous video. They have shampoo, they have conditioner. Actually, I recently used their clarifying shampoo. Wonderful. Like, it's just a well-rounded brand that has everything you need. Like, if you're the type of person that likes to either be loyal to a brand or just get everything you need from the same spot, I don't think you can go wrong with Bounce Girl. I do believe they are still independently owned by the founder, which is a woman, and I think she co-owns it with her husband. And yeah, I can't wait to keep trying other products from them because their styling products alone are already a 10 out of 10. You know what I mean? Come on, me. Okay, next. Okay, this one is another woman-owned brand. I do believe right now their only retailer is Sephora, and I'm talking about Sha and Kicks. And right now I'm holding like what I consider them to be their hero products. Wait, hold on, I'm missing one. How did I forget? So silly. Here it is. They were created by 2 sisters. They are so cute and these are their nicknames, Sha and Kicks. So what I'm holding right now is like their 3-step system. This is their scalp and hair pre-wash. As you can see, she is loved. So yeah, this is a mask for your scalp and your hair that you use before you wash your hair. You leave it on for like 20 minutes. Yeah, for 20 minutes and you just remove it all and continue with your routine. It's not only a great step to fully cleanse and clarify your scalp, but also soothe it, especially during the winter. Oh my god, my scalp has been so flaky and disgusting. This has been a game changer. And it also has a bunch of like really good strong oils to help strengthen your actual hair while like it's soaking in the mask. This is their shampoo and their conditioner. This is their full size, this is their mini. I'm about to finish this full size jar of their product, and as you can see, again, very much loved. And it looks very interesting. Look at that like color and texture. Also, the smell, oh my god, it's so good. I mean, I love this type of smell. It's like very herbal, very like, ooh, someone made this by hand in the jungle. It also has like these little beads right there that also help exfoliate your scalp. And oh my god, this lathers like no other. Girl. And their conditioner is also just absolutely wonderful. It's very creamy, but nothing too thick and heavy that it could possibly weigh down your hair. This little washing system, 10 out of 10. Love. And as you can see, I've really been using these products. It's not like talking out of my ass here. Okay, next. Oh my god. Okay, I just realized this. This next brand that I'm gonna talk about is also owned by women, and it was also founded by two sisters. Listen, one thing about me, I'm for the girls. I'm for the girls, always and forever. Anyways, okay, this is the next brand. This one is called Okoa. This is owned by two Dominican sisters with curly hair. What I'm holding right now is their styling gel and their defining cream. If I have to pick my favorite product, it has to be the gel. This is the gel that got me back into using gels in 2023. It's so good for definition, and it offers, I would say, medium to strong hold. Nothing too crazy, but do not underestimate her. Their defining cream is also beautiful. They also have shampoo and conditioner that I right now have in my shower. Love the brand, love their mission, love the sisters, the founders. Please go like check out the entire brand online. They're still pretty small and I need more eyes on them because what the hell, it's such a good brand. Like they create such beautiful products. Okay, next. All right, so the next brand I believe is co-owned. Like I think it's like a couple that owns them. They're also an Indian brand and they're also sold at Sephora. I'll check again if they have any other retailers. I'll put them on the screen. I'm talking about Fable in Maine. I can't remember if I mentioned them in this channel last year because I've been known about them like for, oh my god, I thought I cut myself. I thought that was blood. It's my freaking lipstick, bro. I was like, injury? Lipstick on my teeth. No? Okay. Anyways, yeah, I've been known about them for quite a while now. This is not a new brand to me, but I definitely got more into their products in 2023, especially their oils. So listen, these are pre-wash oils. These are not oils to like put on your hair to like scrunch out the crunch. These are both scalp oils to use before you shampoo. So whenever I don't have time to do like a full-on pre-wash mask, I want something a little bit lighter, quicker, yada yada. Or even if I know I'm gonna wash my hair the next day, I love putting on an oil on my scalp and a little bit on my strands and just marinate it like overnight or like for a couple hours, for a couple minutes, whatever. And I know it'll make the washing process easier while at the same time I'll be like soothing my scalp because girl, me and my scalp, we've been beefing all year round. Like I don't know what's going on. Am I aging? Is that it? I am aging obviously, but like, why does the scalp age so quickly? You're covered by hair. Why are you being so dramatic? Anyways, so these are the two oils that I own from them. One is, I think this is their original one, their Holy Roots one. And this is their Amla Soothing Serum one, which is honestly my current favorite. I've been having so many like ups and downs with my scalp getting flaky, getting irritated, getting itchy for no fucking reason. Maybe there is a reason and I don't know what it is. That I've been using this one mostly. And it's also so quick absorbing. Like it's not like you put this oil on your scalp and you feel greasy. Like sometimes I've even put this one on days that I don't wash my hair. Especially, and I'm trying to stop doing this, but confession time. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna come clean. There are times that I do tight, sleek back buns like 3 to 4 days in a row. I know it's not the end of the world, but I also know it's not good for you. Like, girl, this fucking hairline, like, hello? So, you know, on weeks that I do that, I at least try to put some soothing, like, serum, oil, whatever situation in between to at least, you know, hold me down until I actually have time to wash my hair. And she's coming clutch. Listen, it reduces the flakiness, the itchiness, the irritation. This one, I think you're only supposed to use it on your scalp. I don't use this one on my strands, but this one you can use use both on your scalp and your strands, because this one is more for strengthening purposes. So this one you can use everywhere, but this one is for soothing, and I love it very much. Another product from Fable and Maine that I adore, I just don't have it physically here with me, but I actually have a video where I showed this damn leave-in conditioner that I still stand 10 toes down on that being the best leave-in conditioner I've used for wavy hair. It is so lightweight yet so packed with moisture. It's perfect to refresh wavy hair, tame frizz, but not weigh it down. If you ever see this shit in Sephora, you need to grab it right away, baby. I got interrupted by a work meeting that was actually scheduled and I knew was happening, so I had to stop filming, go to the meeting, come back. That's why the lighting looks different, because an hour went by. Let me fix it. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get. The sun is sunning through these windows right now. Anyways, I talked your ear off about Fable and Maine. Point is that I fucking love them. Okay, we're on to the last brand. And this one, I do believe is the only one that is not independently owned by the founder. I'm pretty sure this one is now owned by like a parent company, you know? But the founder is a woman and they've been around for a while. But I do believe that they launched with body care, and I think it was on 2023 that they extended it to hair care, and I'm talking about this one, Sal Hair. This is the Sal Hair Curl Control Defining Jelly. Love her very much. But what made me actually fall in love with Sal Hair's hair care line was the curly hair shampoo and conditioner, and I don't have them right now physically with me because I already went through the entire bottle, and okay. That might not sound like a lot to you guys. Like, oh wow, you went through one bottle of shampoo. Wow, you must have really loved it. I need y'all to understand, there's currently like 10 bottles of shampoo in this apartment. So for me to actually go through an entire bottle of shampoo and an entire bottle of conditioner, that means that I stuck with it. Or like, even while trying other shampoos, I kept going back to that one shampoo because it's that good. That's what I mean when I say like, oh, I went through the entire bottle, I loved it. Have I repurchased? No, because of what I explained in my previous video, that I don't like buying new hair care knowing that I have unopened bottles in my apartment waiting for me to try them, you know? So what got me really into the shampoo and conditioner is that I don't know what the hell was in there. Listen to me, I don't know what the hell was in that formulation, but every time I use a shampoo and conditioner, my definition was on point. I will say they were like heavily scented, and so is this jelly. It's sweet and a little bit of floral, but then again it makes sense because it's Sal Hair. Sal Hair started as like body care fragrance brand, so yeah, obviously their hair care is gonna have very strong fragrance. Their jelly though is very how would I describe this jelly? It requires a lot of water. What does that mean? What I mean by that is like the best way to use this gel is to really have very soaking wet hair. It can't be just like damp because it's a thick gel. It's not very fluid, you know? So it really needs water to be able to, I don't know, disperse through your hair and make sure that it works. I would say it has light to medium hold, nothing too crazy. You know what I actually love this gel for? For creating that like wet look, because it gives your curls like shine. Oh, it literally says that in the description of the product. It says it smooths frizz and adds shine. That makes sense. I'm pretty sure it has some type of oil. Yeah, there it is. It has pecky oil and argan oil. See what happens when you read, kids? You understand things. And that's it. That wraps up this video. And my hands are sticky because of this gel. Can you see it? Ah! I have to go wash my hands. Anyways, before I do that, thank you so much for watching all the way through. I hope you guys had a wonderful Valentine's Day today, which you would see it a week from now. Anyways, yeah, I hope you're having a great week. Yeah, thank you so much for showing love to my first video that I just posted today, and I'm reading your comments and I'm just like, the girls are back. I love my YouTube girls so much. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for still remaining to be subscribed in this channel. If it so happens that you are new, this is the first time you're seeing my silly little face, thank you so much for giving it a click. I'm gonna need you to do me a big favor, okay? Girls, boys, gender non-binaries, please have a great rest of your day. Why am I like that? Okay, bye!